Are you living and working in Alberta or another province in Canada, dreaming of getting your PR? What if I told you there is more to it than just have your English test and diploma ready? In 2025, the race for permanent residence is tougher than ever, and it's no longer just about meeting the basics. It's about being ahead of all of the rest of the people. Let me tell you, applying for Canadian PR is not anymore a sprint, and this is actually a marathon. With reduced PR quotas for workers and students, the competition has never been fiercer. Imagine running that marathon without map, without knowing the best routes or even the hurdles ahead. You can't just decide to apply for a PR and expect results. To cross that finish line, you need to be invited either through a provincial nominee program to receive your provincial nominee certificate or express entry. And to stand out, you must be the best prepared applicant, armed with the right documents, the highest points, and a winning strategy. I've helped hundreds of families, workers, students like you navigate this journey, and now I'm inviting you to a free webinar that will equip you with everything you need to succeed. Join me on December 5 at 6 p.m. Edmonton time, and this is Mountain Time, for my exclusive webinar, How to Get Canadian Permanent Residence in 2025. Here's what you'll get: the latest dates and insider tips on PR pathways like Alberta Advantage Immigration Program and Express, a step-by-step guide to ensure you are prepared with all your documents from CELPIP scores to employment letters, practical advices to your CRS score and increase your chances of getting that golden invitation. Guidance on how to mentally and financially prepare for the journey, and of course a live question and answer session where you can ask your question directly, get expert answers. This is your chance to get ahead, avoid costly mistakes, and your PR dream. Don't miss out. Spaces are limited. Click on the link below, register, and secure your spot. Join me on December 5 at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. This is Edmonton, and take the first of becoming a Canadian PR in 2020.